Hey everyone, welcome back. If your download speed on PC feels slow, like files taking forever, games stuck for hours, or updates crawling, yeah, that's frustrating. But don't worry, in this full guide I'll show you how to improve your download speed step by step in 2026. First, restart your router and your PC. I know it's simple, but it clears temporary network issues and can instantly improve speed. Next, switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. It's faster and more stable than Wi-Fi, especially for large downloads. Now check for background apps using your internet. Downloads, streaming, or updates can slow everything down. So yeah, pause or close them. If you're downloading from apps like game launchers, try switching the download server or region. Sometimes a different server is faster. Check if your download app has a speed limit enabled. Many apps cap speeds by default, so turning that off can boost your downloads. Switch to faster DNS like Google DNS or Cloudflare. This won't increase raw speed a lot, but it can improve connection efficiency. If your network is set as metered, Windows may limit your download speed. So yeah, turn that off. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can slow down your internet performance. For large files, try using a download manager. These tools split files into parts and download them faster. Finally, check your internet plan. If your speed is capped by your ISP, no software fix will go beyond that limit. So yeah, upgrading might be needed. And that's it. Follow these steps and your download speed should improve noticeably. Combine a few of these tips, and you'll see the biggest difference.